Pablo Picasso, the renowned Spanish artist, had a fascinating and complex life that spanned over 91 years. Born on October 25, 1881, in Malaga, Picasso showed exceptional artistic talent from a young age. He had a strong influence on the development of modern art and is considered one of the greatest artists of the 20th century. Picasso's artistic career can be divided into different periods, each characterized by distinct artistic styles and techniques. Among his most famous works are Les Demoiselles d'Avignon and Guernica, which showcase his mastery of Cubism and Surrealism. Picasso experimented with various art forms, including painting, sculpture, ceramics, and printmaking. His groundbreaking artistic contributions revolutionized art and pushed boundaries like never before seen in the art world. In addition to his art, Picasso was known for his turbulent personal life, which included multiple marriages and numerous affairs. He had strong connections with influential artists and writers of his time, such as Georges Braque and Gertrude Stein. Picasso's role in the development of the art movement known as Cubism cannot be overstated, as he co-founded the movement with Braque. His art was constantly evolving, reflecting his ever-changing perspectives and experiences throughout his life. From his blue period to his rose period, Picasso explored different color palettes and subject matters. During his career, Picasso created an estimated 50,000 artworks, leaving an indelible mark on the art world. His innovative approach to art continues to inspire and captivate artists and art enthusiasts to this day. Picasso's influence can be seen in various art forms, from paintings and sculptures to contemporary installations. Despite his fame and success, Picasso led a bohemian lifestyle, often living in poverty and facing constant financial struggles. He embraced unconventional ideas and constantly challenged traditional artistic norms. Picasso's artistic legacy extends far beyond his own creations, as his work has inspired generations of artists globally. His unique artistic language, characterized by abstraction and bold experimentation, continues to awe and inspire. Picasso's ability to effortlessly switch between styles and techniques showcased his immense skill and versatility as an artist. His dedication to art and relentless pursuit of new artistic possibilities established him as a true pioneer. Picasso's genius shines through in both his imaginative and expressive artworks, captivating viewers with their raw emotion. His ability to convey meaning and evoke emotion through visual art remains unparalleled to this day. Picasso's influence on art history is immeasurable, as his work continues to be celebrated and studied by scholars worldwide. His legacy will forever be remembered as one of the most significant contributions to the world of art. Pablo Picasso's extraordinary life and artistic achievements will continue to inspire and captivate future generations of artists.